Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to calculate the percentage difference in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to calculate the percentage difference between these two values right here. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So for the purposes of this video, I have put a description of what a percentage difference is. So the percentage difference is the absolute value between two values divided by the average of both values times 100. So if I click into B5, I'm going to show you how to do each one of the parts of the equation I just went over. So if I type equals, the first operation I'm going to do is absolute value. So I'm going to type ABS with a left parenthesis. And in this case, I'm going to want to click here in B3. And then remember that the absolute value is the difference between the two values. So I'm going to subtract A3 and then close my parentheses. And this gives me the absolute value of the difference between the two values. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So then I'm going to type the slash for divided by, and then I'm going to get the average for the two values. And I'm just going to type average here with a left parenthesis, and I'm going to click on the first number, type a comma, and click on the second number, close my parentheses, and then I'm going to type an asterisk for times and then do 100. And then I'm going to hit enter. And I can see that I'm being returned with 18.8, which is the percentage difference between the values in B3 and A3. So we go over this a little bit more out on our blog, and I will include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.